Good morning, students. Today, our topic is time in hours and minutes. We have already discussed about reading and writing time. Today, we will learn how we can write time in hours and minutes. For this, first of all, we will draw a clock. Suppose this is a clock. You have already discussed in a clock. Here are 12 numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have already discussed about here are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. Means here are 12 partition on a clock. Now here are three hands of a clock: hour hand, minutes hand and second hand. Today we will write time according to only two hands. We will discuss only two hands. Now a clock is divided into 12 parts. Our clock, our hand moves one round in when our hand moves from one number to another, it completes 1 hour. There are 12 number on faces of a clock, means there are 12 hours in a day and 12 hours in night. So there are 24 hours in a day. Okay, our hand moves from one number to another in 60 minutes. In 1 hour means it rotate from one number to another in 60 minutes, and it complete one rotation in 12 hours. Therefore in a day there are 24 hours. It completes two rounds in a day. Now you can see there are 60 marking on rounding clock: 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4, like this. Means each section is further divided into 5 equal parts. From 12 to 1 here are 5 equal parts. From 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, each part is further divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, these 5 parts tells us about minutes. Minute hand moves from one part to another in 1 minute, and it completes one rotation in 1 hour. Means 60 minutes are complete when it completed one rotation. Each part is divided into 5 parts, and one part tells us about 1 minute. Minute hand moves from one part to another in 1 minute. Okay, so when we have to calculate time, we will multiply the number by 5 to find minutes. Okay, now when the minute hand is on right side, when minute hand is on right side, then we will say past the hour. For example, I am drawing another clock. Okay, now we will again draw a clock. Okay, now as you know, here are 12 parts, 3, 9. Now this clock is further divided into 4 parts. If I divide this clock in 4 parts, then we call this as quarter. These are quarters. Okay, when we divide a number into 4 parts, then we called it as a quarter. This is our first quarter, this is our second quarter, this is our third, and this is fourth. So this clock is divided into 4 quarters. So when minute hand is at 3, suppose minute hand is at 3, we will say past the hour, means quarter past. Suppose our hand is at 1, then we will say quarter past 1. Okay, because it completes one quarter. Okay, similarly, if our hand is at 1 but minute hand is at 6, we will say half past 6. When minute hand is at 6, we will say half past. Okay, and when minute hand is at 9 and our hand is at 1 but minute hand is at 9, now minute hand is on left side, we will say to the hour, means quarter 2. Then we will say quarter 2. Okay, means when minute hand is on right side, we will say past the hour. When minute hand is on left side, in this side, then we will say to the hour. Okay, let us discuss with the help of some examples. Okay, now again I am drawing a clock. Suppose this is a clock. Okay, now this is 12, this is 3, this is 6, and this is 9. Suppose here is 1 and here is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here 11. Okay, now this is our clock. Now suppose our hand is at 5. Our hand is at 5 and minute hand is at 3. Okay, now we have to write the time. How we will write time? Now our hand, first of all we will see our hand, which will tell about hour. Now our hand is after 5, means 5 semicolon double dot. Now we have to tell what is the time given by minute hand. We have to find minutes. Now minute hand is at 3. Now we have discussed already, each divided is further divided into 5 subparts. So subparts tells us about minute. Now it is at 3, we simply multiplied it by 5. Okay, so 3 into 5, 15. So 5, 15. Okay, this is the time shown by this watch. Okay, by our hand we will write hour, then double dot. For finding minute we will multiply the number by 5 on which minute hand exists. Okay, now 5:50. So we can write like this. Another form to write this is, now we have already discussed, it covers 1/4 of the clock. It is at 3. It passed 1/4 of clock. So we can write, and it is on right side. So we will write past the hour. So we can write quarter past, and our hand is at 5, here 5. So quarter past 5 means 5 and then 1/4 is completed by minute hand. Okay, let us discuss one more example. We can discuss another example. Suppose I am drawing here another watch. Okay, again this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, this is 9. Now suppose here is 10 and here is 11, here is 8, here is 7. Now suppose our hand is at 7. Okay, this is our hand, it is at 7, but minute hand is at 9. This is our minute hand. Okay, now our hand is at 7, it means 7 double dot. Now minute hand is at 9. How many minutes are there? 9. We will multiply this number by 5. 9 into 5, 45. So 7:45. Okay, simply 7:45 is the time shown by this watch. Now we can write it in another form. How? Now minute hand is at right side, so we will write to the hour. Okay, 2. We will use 2, not past this time, because it is on left side. Now 7:45 means now 1/4 is left. Okay, so we will write here quarter to 8, because 15 minutes are left to complete 8. So we'll write quarter to. When we will write quarter to, we will write next number to this number. Okay, so in this way we can write number like quarter to, quarter past, or half past. If minute hand is at 6, suppose time shown by this watch is, our hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 6, then what will time shown by this watch? 3 and here 6. Then what will be time? 3, 6 into 5, 30. So here 3:30. Okay, now how we can write like this? 3:30, 3:30. So we can write half past 3, because it is on 6. When minute hand is on 6, we will write half past, nothing else. Okay, so half past 3, that number. Okay, in this way we can write half past, quarter to, quarter past. Okay, or simply how we can find minute? We will write first of all hours, then double dot, and we will multiply the number by 5 on which minute hand exists. In this example it is at 9, so we multiply 5, so 45. Okay, in this way you can read and write time.